wide open. Unable to put that dagger in. Sanchez keeping the door wide open. Can they creep back in? De Los Reyes. Well, they were up all day long, no? Sanchez with a cut, and Sanchez gets the shooter's mouth. We are tied at 32 with less than 1 minute left. 50 seconds. Palakas Shooting Club. Can they be the first team to get knocked out here in this tournament? Dumlao, 38 seconds, one-on-one against Abadilla. Freyna, pump fake, takes it closer, no opening. Dumlao finds Sumarinas, and Sumarinas uses the board, kisses it off the glass, and grabs the lead, 34 to 32.
Last one, timeout.
Last timeout for Solomon Staircase. Ooh, what a ball game, Solomon Staircase. Not giving up here, fighting for dear life. We'll be right back after this timeout. By the way, no, for all the brethren who's here, we have a limited edition shirt, Freemason shirt for only $35, no? $35. Please make sure to give us your name and your sizes. And make sure to register here. Tamang-tama yan sa ating...
Adam, no more timeout.
Tamang-tama yan sa ating... October, no? For our Angkor.
Ito na, pang-apat.
If you wear the shirt, or of course, casual wear, be proud, be Freemason, no?
Tatlo na sila. Kaya tatlo.
Napakahirap maging Freemason, no? Kaya dapat we are proud to wear that shirt, no? Biruin niyo yung long form, no? Especially those who had their long form. So 23 seconds left, back to the action, no? Pina, carving the defense up, kicks it out. Sanchez against Mila, bumping and grinding, takes it closer, and again Sanchez! No point for Sanchez, he has tied at 34 with 7 seconds left. Sanchez with the heart to survive here. Palakas Shooting Club will call in their timeout with 7 seconds left. Are we going to overtime here? Or can Palakas Shooting Club pull on with the victory? Or Solomon Staircase can grab an upset. We'll be right back.
Zero, two green. I want one.
Down to the last possession as we go straight back into the action. 7 seconds left. We will decide who will get knocked down here and who will advance to the next round. Sumarinas, here we go. Sumarinas from the elbow. Comes up short, Moralida against Sanchez. And that's the end of the second half. We go to the overtime. We go to the overtime. Solomon Staircase showing some signs of a fight here. Palakas Shooting Club. We go to overtime.
Overtime.
How many minutes on the overtime?
5 minutes?
2 minutes. 2 minutes for the overtime. One timeout each for both teams. As we go back to the action, we are deadlocked at 34. Freyna, and Freyna quick 2 points for Ariel Freyna, as he has been their main man so far for Palakas Shooting Club. The priced free agent, 3 teams looking for his services. Pina, front rim. Laying his all heart, all out here for Palakas Shooting Club. 2 of their priced free agents, Mark Moralida and Freyna. Reverse. Sanchez has been doing all the damage here so far in the second half, especially the 4 points. And Sanchez trying to save it, unable to do so. Sumarinas, no numbers for them. They go back to Freyna, their bread and butter. Mila pump fake, can't get his man off the air. From behind, Sumarinas put back. and gives them a comfortable 4-point lead, 38-34 with less than a minute left. Well, for Solomon Staircase now, they need to have some quick points here. Sanchez carrying his team off his back with that jump hook. Got 4 points off that in the last 3 seconds here. Sumariñas crossing that timeline. Down low. And foul will be called against Adre. And again, Mila down on the floor, no? Ayun na naman yung stuntman action ni Mila, no? But anyway, we're hoping that all is okay, no? We don't want any injuries anymore, no?
Get ready.
50 plus players, 50 and plus players, please get ready. You'll be playing in the next game. And Freyna Mila putting on the finishing touches. Nakatulong din yung mga stuntman moves ni Mila. And he makes both basket as he puts on 30 seconds left, no? Well, this is still mathematically possible. If you have Reggie Miller on your team, 6 points or 6 seconds, no? Let's see. De Los Reyes. Can he do that? Oh, we're still here. 37-40. Can they pull an upset? Just one stop. Full court pressure. Freyna. And they will foul. Well, we just mentioned the Reggie Miller 6 points in 6 seconds, no? Can De Los Reyes embody that? 12 seconds left. They're still not yet in the penalty, or are they? One-on-one, oh, one-on-one. So Freyna, pressure-packed free throws. Let's see if he can put this game on the line. What a ball game so far. The Solomon Staircase giving us a surprise. This is not a walk in the park for Palakas Shooting Club. Yes, no, just 3. 40-37.
4 and 3.5.
And he misses. The game is still wide open. 10 seconds left. Holding on. And De Los Reyes, well, that was a golden opportunity for Solomon Staircase. As Freyna misses that free throw. And this is a chance for him again to put this game away with 9 seconds left. Or with 9 seconds left. Freyna. And finally, he makes it. That gives them somehow a cushion, no? 4-point lead. But, you know, if you can still pull a 3-point shot, this is still possible.
One shot.
And if they continue to miss their free throws, oh, one more, because one-on-one, no? Freyna showing us why he is the most coveted prized free agent here in this tournament. Moralida also showing us why ALTP was undefeated. Well, he was one of the contributors for ALTP, but he cannot play with ALTP anymore because he chose Palakas Shooting Club, no? 41-37. They will be playing the winner between Gardena Monita Lodge and Brazen Pillars. 2 shots will be given to Mark Moralida as they are in the penalty. A warm-up for the 50 and plus, no? 50 and plus players, warm-up. Please make sure to register with our commissioner, Brother Derek Valdez, no? And also, if you want to get the Freemason shirts, please make sure to get it with our commissioner, Brother Derek Valdez. 41-37. One more try for Solomon Staircase
Pasok yan.
to climb back
Pasok yan.
here.
Pasok yan.
6
Pasok yan.
seconds left.
Tingnan mo. Pasok. 3 yan. Ano ha? Pustahan.
De Los Reyes, with 5 seconds left, throws a prayer, and Palakas Shooting Club will advance to the championship round
Thrown out.
as they squeeze themselves against Solomon Staircase, who gave them a scare and surprised us, especially Abadilla. Well, for Palakas Shooting Club, that was not a walk in the park, and somehow they proved to us that they are the #1 seeded team, and Ariel Freyna emerging as the player of the game as we go to the second game. So please make sure to follow and subscribe our YouTube page, SoCal Ballers 21. We'll be right back.